Hello YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get the latest updates on this Python machine learning programming. Hello friends, today we are going to talk about how to create and manipulate list in Python. In this lab, let's complete the following: creating a list, indexing a list, slicing a list, and modifying a list. So we'll start with a clean notebook, and we will type this array, and we'll run exec we'll run exec we'll run click the run button, and you will see this list. So the important points here is like basically the word food is a variable to hold our list. So you can see here. So this is a food variable which is used to hold our list, and the equal sign is an assignment operator. This is an equal sign which is an assignment operator, and all our items in the list like steak, tacos, lobster, ice cream, bread pudding, all are all in the single quotes. The print statement, of course, it will print out the list items listed with title food. Now we will take a second to absorb the indexing. So here any item in the first position is in position 0. So, and usually this will confuse a lot of people. If you remember the first index is 0, then the list becomes very easy to understand. So here we'll type the code below into the second cell, and we'll see what is the output. So we see here bread pudding is the output of this. So now we will see what do we find if we type the below code into the Jupyter terminal. We see that we get an index error. So this has happened because there is no item in the index 5. It started with 0, so 0 is steak, 1 is tacos, 2 is lobster, 3 is ice cream, and 4 is bread pudding. So the error is right. So make a mental note of this error. Now what we will do is we will type the below code immediately into the next cell in our Jupyter notebook. So we will click the index 0 of the food. We'll click on run, and you can see that we got an output called my favorite food is steak. Now we will type the below code into our next cell, that is item at the first index. The item in position 1 has we wish to change the item in position 1 to green beans. So we'll paste this, and we have changed the item in the index 1 position, and you can very well see, print the list, and we can see very well that the item in the index 1 has been changed to green beans. So this comes to an end with this video about how to creating and manipulating a list. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get the latest updates always. Thank you. Keep reading, keep smiling. Bye.